us through what's happened over the last year, because it sounds as if, in spite of a global pandemic and everything that's gone along with that, Tabreed's done pretty well.
It has been a stellar year for us at Tabreed. It has been challenging. However, the resilience of the teams and the support from the shareholders have enabled us to navigate the year carefully. Indeed, we have announced a record high net profit of 550 million dirhams. That's 16 and a half, nearly 17% rise in net profit compared to last year. The year, as you'd recall, have seen a number of challenging environment, and for us, it was also a year of opportunities. We've managed to acquire a concession at downtown Dubai, nearly 235,000 RTs, cooling the most iconic parts of the Emirate of Dubai, the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and the hotels in downtown Dubai. And later on in the year, just before the end of the year, at the end of last year, we were also able to acquire two concessions here in Abu Dhabi, and the most iconic culture island, Saadiyat Island, 88,000 RTs total capacity of the concession. We've been successful also to acquire those. The year have seen us also raising bond, $500 million of bond in a challenging year, a year like no other. And I'm pleased that that bond have also seen a remarkable attention from the international market. 95%, nearly 95% of the investors in that bond are international investors. So it's a testimony of the story of Tabreed, how solid it is and how reliable it is. And we are quite pleased with the end result. Yes, 550 million dirhams net profit is our close of the year announcement, which has been released to the market
Badr,
today.
it's going to be really interesting going forward, isn't it? Because at the end of the day, you have a new administration in Washington that are advocating as much as $2 trillion in spending for the green economy. You used to be over at Masdar. You understand this probably better in terms of than anyone in terms of the dynamic between global warming, living in this part of the world as we do, and the opportunities really for a company like yours. You said you're targeting KSA, you're targeting other countries in this part of the world. What do you see as the biggest challenge to growth for 2021?
We need to remain resilient. So we need to also make sure that we integrate what we've acquired smoothly. We've done so with MR. We are doing so now with Saadiyat. I think the business model, however, for Tabreed is quite solid, and we play in both important themes or important areas of the global economy. We are a sustainability business, so we help mitigate the carbon emissions. So our solution can provide a mitigant to climate change challenges. So this is definitely a differentiator, and it allows us to penetrate new markets, because this is an important action against the rise in temperature. So as much as we continue to deliver excellence in our operation, I think we'll see opportunities. But beyond the sustainability theme, for us in this part of the world as well, cooling is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's almost like the other utilities, water and electricity. Definitely the need for cooling in this part of the world is something that is given. We've seen the demand on cooling continue to rise with the also climate change challenges and rise in temperature. So we are quite optimistic that we continue to add value. We continue to explore opportunities. At the same time, we need to continue with our financial discipline. I think the reception from the market is quite positive about our performance. Again, I refer to the international view of our story through the bond that we've issued last year. So quite excited about 2021, but however, we need to be also cautious. Right. We need to continue with a very balanced growth strategy, balancing return to our shareholders, as well as we continue to pursue our growth ambition.